And today I thought I'd share with you guys what snack time is kind of like right now in the middle of the summer. There's a few new items out for snack time, and I thought I'd share with you guys a drink and a little salty snack to kind of give you guys an idea of what's happening here. Most of the convenience stores tend to have these kind of specialty goods that they're known for in some way. For example, Lawson's convenience store is known for having really delicious desserts, which sounds totally random, but they have this great line of uchi sweets that they make. So, and then every place has their own kind of generic brand of potato chips and stuff. And 7-Eleven here has these chips that are edamame chips. You guys probably might be familiar with what edamame are. They're soybeans that you can eat. A really good yummy snack to have when you're drinking beer and stuff like that. So, but these chips are nice because they're part of their value meal. You know, you get the nice little generic bag kind of looking thing here. And they're only 100 yen, which is really nice. And they're really cool, kind of baked, really crispy, kind of little, almost like a cracker, I'd say, more than they are actually a chip. They have a little tiny bit of a sweetness to them, even though they are a salty snack. And but they're nice because they're a little bit more healthy than regular old potato chips, right? So that's a nice thing to kind of enjoy. And my girls, they love these, so that's a pretty popular thing. And then the other thing I thought I'd share with you guys is this new drink called Spiral Grape. Now, this is made by Asahi Beverage Company. They make beer, they make other kinds of drinks and stuff too. So, and it's basically just your good old-fashioned grape drink, but there's a little bit of edge to it. It's got a little bit of spice to it. And when I first drank it, I couldn't figure out what it was, but I think, according to what my mother-in-law, my husband, kind of suggested it might be, is it might be licorice. And I think they might be right. It's something along those lines. And it really has that kind of foreign taste to it, and I loved it immediately. I thought, oh my god, this is so good. It kind of reminded me of Coca-Cola's OK soda. I don't know if anyone out there knows what that is. It was around for like a year in the late 1990s, and it was only promoted in 6 states, Colorado being one of them, but kind of reminds me of that a little bit. So, but I loved it. My mother-in-law hated it. She thought it was terrible. So my kids don't like it. Too spicy, but I think, yeah, it's kind of a nice little extra taste. So if you happen to be coming out to Japan this summer, then these might be some things you could check out. Chances are something like this, I don't know if this is going to stick around. It's always kind of hard to know with some snacks here. Sometimes they're just really seasonal, sometimes they're only around for 1 year, and then next year you can't find them at all. So I know last year they had a carbonated coffee, which I thought was so good, and I can't find it anywhere yet. So I don't know, you never know, right? So if you guys are coming out for this summer though, some couple of things for you to check out when you're here. Some of this stuff doesn't immediately make it to those, you know, Japanese markets that you might find in your home country, so it might take a little while, and something like 7-Eleven potato chips are probably not going to make it over there. But just kind of a little introduction to some yummy things that are here right now.